In part 3 of this series, I visited the floating houseboats on the Willamette River. It would be a very good experience to live in one of those houses. However, I prefer to be at a warmer place than Portland, such as in California or in Florida, where I can jump into the water year-round. I started the trip at the Sellwood Riverfront Park. I loaded the boat at the dock. The boat dock is very long, and it's possible to just set up your boat at the dock. I paddled about 1 mile towards the Rood Island. This particular route is very suitable for beginners. Since I was paddling my newer homemade boat, I tried to stay closer to the beach next to the Oaks Park, just in case I need help. In part 2 of this series, I was at the northern part of the Rood Island, and I could stop by the beach there. This trip, I visited the southern part of the Rood Island, and I could have picnic at the beach also. The beach is not that far away from the houseboats. To get to the park, I drove down the Spokane Street and crossed the railway track. And I will see the sign directing me to Oaks Park. I took the right turn after passing through the railway track. And then almost immediately, I take a left turn and reach the parking lot of the Sellwood Riverfront Park. It's a big parking lot, and I never have problem finding a place to park. There are restrooms, and next to it is a large lawn where people can pump up their inflatables or paddleboards. There's also a large area where you can unleash your pets and have them running around. Right next to this field are a few picnic tables. Last summer, I spent a whole day picnicking and kayaking at this park. The river here is much wider. It is usually a bit windier and is better for sailing. I plan to modify my kayak and do some more sailing this summer. Further down the river, you will see more sailboats in the weekends. In making this video, I found out the property tax for a houseboat is same as a regular house. Besides, the HOA fee is much higher. An example of the HOA fee for the houseboats shown in this video is more than $600 per month, plus other special fees also. If you have never been to this part of the river, I hope this video is useful for you. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like. I appreciate your support for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you at the river. Bye.